Pongal is not just another festival for people in Tamil Nadu. It is their emotion. And today, at January 15, the entire world is celebrating Pongal. And at SteelFab Middle East 2026, Chennai-based K2 Cranes are ensuring everyone is coming together and celebrating the Festival of Progress.
வணக்கம் அனைவருக்கும் இனிய பொங்கல் நல்வாழ்த்துக்கள். இன் 2026 இந்த தை பொங்கல் வந்து என்ன சிறப்புனா வருஷம் SteelFab வந்து இதே டைமில் தான் வைக்கிறாங்க. இஸ் த செகண்ட் டைம் நான் வந்து ஃபேமிலி விட்டு இங்கே ஷார்ஜாவில் பொங்கல் டைமில் இருக்கிறதால 2 days பேக் டீம் எல்லோரும் சேர்ந்து டிசைட் பண்ணி we thought we'll celebrate Pongal this time at the booth, K2 Cranes booth in SteelFab. So we planned, thanks to all people. Everybody ran whatever they can do. They bought some Tornam, Maila. Mr. Ali went and bought chakra, Pongal and vada and the kumbu. So only other than cooking, everything we have done here. Thanks to the sun god, the farmers and all the cattle who take care of us throughout the year. And I hope இது வந்து இனிய பொங்கலா இருக்கும். Everybody should live in peace and prosperity and harmony.
It's amazing. I was part of this organization and show. I saw a lot of Indian participants, but particularly this particular section where I saw K2 taking so much pride in exhibiting the real cultural value of India and exposing it to the other part of the world who are coming, going, the visitors. They get to see the little bit of culture of India. And today, being Pongal, it has been celebrated in a very big way here at Crane 2. And I really love the atmosphere here, the participation of other participants, people passing by, having a look. It's amazing. It's a great festive occasion here.
SteelFab is just not about displaying our engineering expertise. Today we are here to showcase our cultural integrity of India in SteelFab. It's an amazing day today, and as we celebrate the Indian farmers, the cattle, which we call as Pongal, and we say that all religions are equal. Yam madame, sam madame. Same way, we feel that today celebrating SteelFab's Pongal is going to be a highly decorative celebration here at K2 Cranes booth in SteelFab. So here I go. I wish all a very happy Pongal at Dubai and all the GCC countries and everybody at the SteelFab family. Thank you very much and wishing all a happy Pongal.
Pongal. Pongal. Pongal. Pongal. Pongal.